Hey everybody, it's Hari Swaminathan. Doing this video on Swing Trade Max, got a couple of questions. What are the kinds of signals and moves that we can expect? So I'm going to run down a few stocks, and these are all patterns that I've viewed already using the Swing Trade Max system signals, and I can give you some examples as to where and when you would have gotten in and gotten out. On Apple, if you look at a 3 month chart, on Apple, we would have gotten a signal right here on this bar. If you were looking for a trade on the bullish side, you would have gotten a signal right here around when Apple was $500. And the signal actually comes out on this, it runs out, that is, right here. So either here or here, you could have gotten out of Apple. Even if you got out here, that would be about 542. So you can see it ran from about 503 to about 540. So that's one thing. The other signal you would have gotten on Apple is on this bar itself, or rather this bar here. And this one would have let you go bullish on Apple, and you would have gotten out right here. You would have gotten out actually last Friday on this bar. So that would have been about, I would say, from 522 to about 530, 535. So about a $10, $12 ride. But this one obviously was the good one, and the signals would have caught this move perfectly. And the good thing is you would have been in the trade because the signal is running all the way until it runs out. So it gives you a clear signal as to when when you need to come out of the trade. So that is the beauty of the Swing Trade Max system. It keeps you in a winning trade as right up to the end of that trade, right up to the end of that move. So that's the beauty of the system. Let's look at Google. Google, we would have gotten two signals, I believe. Yeah, one signal came over here, and you would have gotten chopped up a little bit here. So, and then you would have had to perhaps resort to some risk management techniques, which are also given to you as part of the course. You would have, you may have done that, but if you withstood that day, then you can see, boom, it went up over here. We did get a signal on this bar also. So those were the two signals. On Amazon, we did get a signal. Obviously, when here's earnings, so anything when it drops like this, obviously you'll get some buy signals, but you want to be careful because if it's getting hammered after earnings, you want to wait till it goes. I think you get a signal here, and it made about a $5 move, and you also got a signal on these two bars, and you would have come out somewhere here. So you can see it. On average, you're looking at about a $5 to $10 move on most stocks, if not more. Sometimes if it's trending strongly, you'll be kept inside the trade. So you would want to take advantage of that. And I think on Netflix you do get a signal right here between these two bars, and that would have taken you up, and at some point perhaps you would have exited. If you hung in there, then you probably could have caught this second leg of this move as well. Price line, you wouldn't take any bullish trades now. It's sort of peaked out and it's coming down. LinkedIn, no, LinkedIn has been bearish, so again, you would not have tried to catch that. On Baidu, I believe, yeah, Baidu, you get a signal right here between these bars. You're getting a signal, and perhaps you would have come out either here or here. It might have indicated that you need to exit the trade, and that's fine. And you probably would want to wait for the next move as well. So that is some of the examples where how you would have gotten a signal, where you would have got it. Once you apply the indicators to these charts, you get some very clear signals. And as I mentioned, the beauty is that once you get into a trade, the way the system works is absolutely phenomenal because it takes you all the way to the end of that move and gives you a very clear signal when you need to exit. So you're really maximizing the potential from a winning trade as much as possible. So that's really the beauty of that system. All right, if you have any questions, please email us info@optiontiger.com. Thanks.